let's go, 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 let's go. Okay. Yeah, beautiful morning, ladies and gentlemen. How you guys doing today? How's the night of family? Trust you guys doing good. Okay. Say they greet for here. Everybody they greet for my brother. How you doing? Obina, morning from Abuja, PJ. I'll see you. Say I'm in. Where you joining us from? Make sure you drop your location first. Customer. Which customer? First, I'll be first timer. I'll be first commenter. What? You can't be first customer. Because you are not my customer. You are nobody customer here. Lady Win is supposed to be here. Come on, some people message drop before yours. Best thing I say, how you doing? Where you joining us from? Innocent Open. I hope you come with your juice. Oh, come on, Charlie. Lady Winnie said, good morning, winning turning in from Lagos. That's beautiful. Best thing from Anambra, and Wadlis from Lagos, Olajuja from Ibadan, Kenneth from Lagos. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Come on, guys. I have some info to share with us this morning. Carlos Ibrahim from Gogbe. As you're joining, make sure you smash the like button, like it's just a normal thing to do when you are coming in. Smash the like button, tell us the location where you're joining us from, and let's get started. Okay, so William Mutetwa from South Africa. Guys, keep smashing the like button, keep smashing that like button. It is necessary. Kanye, you're welcome. Okay, Jerry from Bayelsa, smash that like button, baby. What are you doing with that like button? We're not smashing it. You're gonna smash it, baby. Smash that like button. Yeah, smash it. Yeah, it might be afternoon on your side. It's still morning here. Still morning here. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Sonia, beautiful morning. Where you joining us from? Glory from Delta. Guys, smash the like button. Let's get started. Let's get started. Let's get started. Let's get started. So good day. First timer for forever going in profit from joy. Oh, how you doing, so good? So yeah, the first timer coming to our live session since I've known you. Oh, a bad boy. Okay, Sonia from Dublin. How you doing, Dublin? You look like a first timer here. How you doing? Mr. L, good morning, good morning, good morning. Where are you joining us from? So before I dive in straight up to what we have for us today, okay. Okay. Yeah, Rakib. Why join us from Rakib? Gideon from Port Harcourt. Guys, let's get it. Let's get started. So I'll be sharing my screen in few minutes from now. Like, I'll soon be sharing my screen. I just want to acknowledge everybody, and I want everybody to be here because I want to like do some kind of analysis, and I want every one of you to actually get that right. So we know what we're doing. Aside from the info I need to pass across, okay? Aside from the info I need to pass across. Hey Juliana, how you doing? Juliana, we're happy to have you around. How you doing today? If you have not smashed the like button, make sure you do that right now. Right now, can we start? Can I just go ahead sharing my screen? If you're a first timer here, we're happy to have you. God bless you. Make sure you join the community all the time. Make sure you join the community all the time, and then we'd love to have you around and make sure you're growing with us, okay? Because here in DAOM Empire, we forever growing in profit by this. Cheers to you. Now, Kanye, I greet you. Now, as you join it, make sure you smash the like button. Let me share my screen right away. Now, guys, look at what I'm seeing right here. Look at what I'm seeing right here. Let's just dive into the chart right now. Let's dive into the chart right now. Okay. I believe you guys are seeing my screen right now. So now, guys, look at what I'm seeing right here. I'm starting to feel like my bias is going to change on GBP USD from buying to sell. But I will do nothing. You know what? We are in on a buy on GBP USD at the moment. If you go to a 4-hour time frame, we are in on a buy. So after the buy, move closer to our entry or put us in little profit, allow some of us to get out. My bias is changing, and I will tell you the reason why my bias is changing. Number one, this is an overall sell. I knew that this is like a retracement, but that retracement was a long retracement that is looking like the trend wants to change. So now, this is a candlestick pattern here. If you read the candlestick Bible, you will understand this thing that I want to talk about right now. This is what we call tweezer top. This is what we call what? Tweezer top. A tweezer top is an indication that market wants to start diving to the downside, okay? That is what a tweezer top is all about. So if you see it at the bottom, it's a tweezer bottom. That is, price wants to start going up from there. So this is a tweezer top, okay? So I didn't cash this early. I didn't cash it early. If not, I would have maybe not taken any trade. I'm not sure I'm going to start taking trade immediately anyway, but maybe I won't have taken any trade because there's a lot that will have on stop losses here. Look at it. All this week in, week out, you can see the on stop losses, and it's going to actually put a trader psychology that is not balanced to be, you know, things like that. So now what I'm going to do is that I'll wait. I know this is still going to push a little bit higher. It's going to push a little bit higher. Once we are close to our entry or we are a little bit in profit, just get out of that trade. In fact, don't wait for my confirmation or my instruction before you get out, okay? Because my bias is changing right now. So now I'll wait for a break below this minor level here. I'll wait for a break below it. Once I get a break below it with a confirmation, then we can now take it to the downside, and then if possible take it further downside, okay? And another thing you need to understand is that what I teach, the strategy I teach, the knowledge I teach you guys it is a knowledge that we always strive and make more sense, especially when market is what? When market is trending. When market is choppy, the strategy won't work or it won't make sense. Okay, look at this. Since we got an indication to enter this trade, you can see the way the market has been playing up and down, consolidating. So hence today give us profit, tomorrow take the profit away, today give us profit. It doesn't make sense when market is choppy at the moment. But as a swing trader, we are wired with patience, okay, until we get a proper perspective of what the trade or the idea of the market is telling us, for us to be able to take the next action. So right now, ladies and gentlemen, with the way this trade is right now, this is a 4 hours time frame on GBP USD. I would wait. I'm changing my bias that this market might not continue going up, rather it might just break below it and give us extra confirmation, maybe like a chart pattern that will indicate that this market is now ready to start dropping to the downside. My bias is changing if you look at it from from the weekly time frame. You can see, you look at it from the weekly time frame, you will see that this is a tweezer. So go and read Candlestick Bible. I've shared it with my people in the mentorship channel. Go and read it. I've finished reading that book. It's going to tell you a lot about candlestick, okay? Results of candlestick, okay? So you understand what I'm talking about right here. Let me go to image, straight up, image. Be fast. Okay, look at it. Look at this, guys. It's a very, very perfect example of what we're talking about right here. Very, very perfect example. Not 100% perfect, but still not 100% perfect, but still, like you can see, the idea of tweezer top and tweezer bottom is that those two candles, okay, I think I saw another one, those two candles will look alike, like the body will be like the same top, the same bottom, like it will be the same in size in terms of the body. Look at this one here, look at uptrend, pump. We got a tweezer top here, and after the tweezer top, what happened to the downside? Do you understand? So let me show you another one. This is tweezer pattern, okay? Okay, you can see it looks alike. Look at it here, but it's not all. Another thing you need to also know is that it's not always where you see tweezer top or tweezer bottom that you want to take. Oh, I've seen tweezer top, it will start coming down. I've seen tweezer bottom, it will start, going up. No, you see it at the resistance level. If you see tweezer top at the resistance level, it's an indication that the market might start dropping. You just need some confirmation more, like extra confirmations. Okay. Let's go back. Let's go back. Okay, so any other reasonable example? This is it again. You can see this is another tweezer top. So after that tweezer top, the market starts running to the downside. Okay, go and read the Candlestick Bible if you have not read it. Okay, this is another one. You can see. So tweezer top. Now let's go to our real chart. Is it the same thing? You can see. So after that, this candle, what happened next? The market started dropping. Okay, so let it drop, let it keep dropping. This will serve like a neckline. Whichever way you want to look at it, it's looking like an head and shoulder pattern here right now. It's looking like what? Head and shoulder pattern. This will look like the head, left shoulder, right shoulder. After the breakout, this minor level will be the neckline. So breaking down out of that minor level will give us a confirmation and look for an entry opportunity to do what? To short this trade right now. So I hate the fact that GBP/USD has just been doing rubbish because we didn't look at the market. We didn't get what the market was interpreting for us earlier. Okay, so this is part of it. When I discovered that, okay, let me just scale down to bigger time frame to see what's really going on with this trade. Because when today profit, tomorrow not profit, what's the matter? What's the issue? So you discover that, okay, when things are rough, when things are not clear, when things are a bit, look at rejection. If this month candle closes below, confirm this monthly candle. If it closes below, confirm that this market will start selling to the downside. So when things are not right, like when you are not getting the real picture very well on the higher time frame, what do? You scale bigger. You go to higher time frame. This is daily time frame. You are still not getting it right, go a little bit higher. This is weekly time frame. What is really happening? Oh, tweezer top has formed. So ladies and gentlemen, that is what the issue is. Okay, so we are changing our bias. Immediately our trade move up a little bit in profit for us, we get out. We do what? We get out. Don't wait for me to give you confirmation before you get out of your trade on GBP/USD. Okay, so let's quickly look at Euro/USD too. Normally on Euro/USD right now, I'm not still, it's not looking the same thing, and at the same time this is like, let me draw this. This is Fibonacci. You can see this is like break characteristics of uptrend. One uptrend retracement, retraces to the diamond zone, 0.5, like the 50% retracement, and 0.618. It touches the 0.5 and is rejecting it. So I don't know, and that's why you see me, I didn't call any other trade on Euro/USD since I've discovered that the trade, the pair is not giving a clear direction yet. Okay, so for now on Euro/USD, I'll still sleep on my hand. I've been watching what the market is likely to do. Sometimes Euro/USD and GBP/USD, they work alike, but sometimes they don't. If they work alike, you can see the way this weekly candle did what? This weekly candle couldn't form like a tweezer top here. Rather, it did what? It was breaking, showing that bullish momentum is still active. Let's go to monthly time frame to see what's up. Okay, with what I'm seeing here, this is sell candle. This is not engulf like the one. It's not engulf like the one. Let's just be patient. Okay, let's be patient. The economy of USD, that's American economy, if it's going to be strong, like if the economy of USA is going to be strong, it's going to now pull all this market to start selling. It's going to pull it to start selling. Okay, so with time everything will be clear to us. So as a swing trader, we sit on our hand, and this is the time we will now have to switch as a dynamic trader. Hey, I'm a dynamic trader. Come on, what works, I go for what works. Okay, from this point, let me quickly talk about what I want to share with us here right now. Okay, so guys, let me quickly answer all the comments we have here before I dish out my information. About Nathan, I greet you. We are forever going in profit together. Yeah. Kanye said we're forever going in profit by God's grace. Yeah, amen. Jennifer, how you doing from Lagos? Say forever going in profit. Okay, Sobu said tweezer top on the weekly time frame. I just noticed. Yeah. Good morning, boss. Good morning, everyone. Good morning from Edo. Surai Dada with video to choose Siri. Good morning, regionals from Sobu say, but boss, that can do stick by as help upgrade my knowledge. Beautiful, beautiful. And I've shared it with my people in my mentorship channel. So it depends on you if you don't have it. There's PPI news by 1:30. And it's fine now. Main news they come now. You no fear. I thought you say I'm seeing something like head and shoulder pattern 4 hours time frame. On which pair? Okoyemi Bolaji, I have not been able to log into MT4 since on Monday. I have not exceeded my daily drawdown. Do you want to exceed it? Why didn't you say? What's the issue? Chat me. I don't know. What's the issue? If you are talking about Consummate, it is better you chat their customer service. But you can let me know what the issue is too. Okay, David Moses say good morning, my amiable mentor. Good morning to you too, my amiable mentee. So right Dada say I'm just coming from your analysis. Are we closing our trade due to the changing in bias? Yes, close out when you see that market has come to your entry or probably is giving you a little bit profit. Don't stay long in the trade. Get out. Get out. Yeah. Bolaji, I've not been able to log in to my MT4 since on Monday. Kindly help me. I've always sent you DM on Telegram. Okay, when I see it, I'll attend to it. I've not been able to. Hey, this one can't the flood us here. Good morning, sir, from Anambra. How are you doing? I'm out of DBPS. It's beautiful. Okay. I will not answer you again. Lady Winnie say, do you just they misbehave anyhow? I just told you why, the reason why it is like that. Junior Richard, good morning, sir. Richard in the house from Delta. Okay, so that's that for that. Good morning, Richard. Why are you joining us from Delta? Okay, you already told us. Now, guys, let me quickly share this info with you. You see, when market is trending, that is the best time we can swing. When market is doing what is trending, that's the best time we can swing because we are swinging to cash 500, 1,000, 2,000 pips, massive. But when market is choppy, consolidating, ranging, it goes in profit today, tomorrow it retraces, all those things are very, very mess up with trader psychology. So we have to mature above that. We have to mature beyond that. So when you see market doing all these kind of things with us, what do? We started thinking, okay, what works in terms of when market is not yet trending is that two things. Number one, this is the info I want to share with you, so you better pay attention. Number one, is that you sit on your hand and do nothing. Like sit on your hand and do nothing. Don't press buy, neither press sell. Sit on your hand, do nothing. Wait for when market is ready to start trending and take advantage. That's number one thing you can do. Number two thing you can do if market is not trending is that if you are a dynamic trader, that you can switch from being a trend trader to being a will I say a fundamental trader or a day trader. I wouldn't say a day trader because a day trading too, sometimes you need market to trend. Maybe you're risking 20 pips to cash like 50 pips. Maybe you're using 20 pips to cash like you're using 30 pips to cash like 70 pips, 100 pips, and things like that. You understand? So in that kind of scenario, sometimes you need the market to trend in that direction. Sometimes the safest one is that you need to, but not everybody actually have that. You need to know how to trade fundamentally. Events, news that comes up, you need to know how to trade it. So that is what is going to actually just keep you going. Like, just be like, okay, news is coming, let me take advantage of the news coming. If you have not smashed the like button, please kindly do that right now. Like, it's free. Smashing like button is free. Nobody is going to take money from your account. So why are you not doing it? It's absolutely cost nothing. Rather, it makes you to be happy you're supporting a movement, and you keep praying that God continue to bless you, because by the time you are launching your own movement, people will also support you. DAOM Empire is a movement that is growing, and we need every means that you can use to support it to grow. So part of it is smash that like button when you just come in, smash. That's all. They won't remove any money from your account. Trust me, I said so. If anybody remove any money for smashing like button, let me know. I will arrest the person. So as I was saying, guys, so you guys should know that I have interest in fundamentals. Like, I like to trade news, but right now my news is restricted to NFP. In fact, that NFP too, sometimes market manipulations, we need to get above it, so which is going to actually make me go back to the book. Okay, if market is not trending, don't expect me. Okay, don't expect me online or doing this and that, because Mr. Diamond Aridoh wants to go back to the book. Go back to the book in the sense that I want to go back and then reinvest in myself in terms of knowledge. Okay, continue learning so that I can keep upgrading myself in terms of fundamentals, so that when market is not just trending, we can either sit on our hands or we take advantage of the news event that is going to be coming out. Okay, so that is what I want to do, and that is what I said I'm going to be sharing with you. So trust me, now at the end of the day, when all these things are materialized right now, I'm still coming here to dish it out to you guys absolutely for free. Like, for free. Like, this one that I'm teaching you right now, no one can say I paid you $1 to learn this from you. No, it's absolutely free. It's absolutely, in fact, if you are in my mentorship, you know I've never collected money from anyone to join my mentorship. All you need to do is to use my recommended broker or my recommended link to open a prop firm account, and I'll give you access upon confirmation, and you'll be in that channel in as much as you are maintaining the rules that guide the channel. Okay, so that's how I work. So now on the fundamental, I'm going to get back to the book. I've been hiring some courses. I want to purchase them and then get busy with them, because you know what, we keep growing. Anything that will make us to keep growing, we need to keep investing in ourselves to keep growing and keep growing and keep growing. Because at the end of the day, in this industry that we have, knowledge is what is going to make us stand out. Knowledge is what is going to make us do what? Stand out. So we need knowledge. Anything that is going to actually give us that knowledge, we must not negotiate it. Just have to go in for it. If you cannot afford it, you're patient, and then later you go in for it. Okay, so at the end of the day, taking a big risk is what I love doing, but taking the right big risk is what is most important. And that is why we will not stop until we get to that level. When you don't get to your bus stop, you keep moving. Okay, until you get to your bus stop, oh, I have arrived at a all-time winning strategy. Like, there's no 100% winning strategy, take that, but at least be like, okay, 99% of the time I'm always right. It's possible. You might have to wait for that setup to happen. It might take time for that setup to happen. You might be patient, you might do this, but you know when that setup is ready, it is a sure money. So that is the kind of edge I want to have in the market, and that's the kind of edge I want to embed into you guys too. So right now, if you don't see me online often, just understand that Baba is back into the book. Baba is back into this book. So I want to get busy again to refresh my knowledge and upgrade my knowledge. Okay, so that is what I'm going to be doing right now until when market is ready to start doing what, to start trending. So you guys, then another thing I can do is that I can come here maybe once or twice to actually teach you guys how to day trade, especially like Jeffrey Benson. Baba cash out massively yesterday, over $600,000 in one day. I look at that thing like this, I just see It's very, very crazy. I'm so happy for him and every other trader that are cashing out big time because they've paid the price. So when they are cashing out right now, we have to be happy for them. Because at their own time when they were starting out, there are some people that are cashing out massively, and they too they are being like, oh God, I'm gonna get here one day. So right now we are looking up to them. Over $600,000 is a lot of money, for anybody to make in this industry. So imagine somebody making that just in a day. That's massively crazy. Crazy. So I'm so happy for him, and I pray that God Almighty continue to uplift him and Abby and Dapo Willis, Ojo, Elvis, all these people that have learned from them, that have bought their courses, that have learned from them, that have took their mentorship. All these my bosses. God continue to bless all of them. So we are getting there. Certainly sure by the grace of God, we're getting there. And when we get there, we will sustain there and keep going, because forever we'll continue to go in profit. Okay, so that's the info I need to share with you guys. I hope you guys get that. So if you know you get that, let me know you get that. So I might come here maybe once or twice to come and share with you guys how to day trade like Jeffrey Benson. So in the meantime that I'm not around, you guys can still go into the market, with a proper risk management, go in, go out reasonably. Okay, so I'm promising by God's grace I'll be doing that. Okay, and now let me quickly go through all over the remaining pairs that we have not go through, and then we'll call it a day from here, unless we have question. Okay, if you have question, I'm going to answer your question. Let me share my screen back. Okay, so USD for now, I don't know. Let's just keep watching. So BTC USD, BTC they play. When you are ready, you go. NAS 100 is also retracing. I expect this market to actually retrace, because after this long handle, I'm expecting it to retrace anyway. I'm out of this trade. Let me do this. This is where this market start trending. We go here. It's possible for NAS to push all the way down to this level. It's very, very possible for NAS to push all the way. You see this trend started from here. You can see it still boils down to this place. One thing that is certain is that it's likely, if NAS 100 is able to break this major level below, ladies and gentlemen, this minor level is the next bus stop. This minor level is the next bus stop. GBP JPY, that one there, it go reach here. This is it. We've been in this trade since when? I think since here, somewhere around here. If I scale down to lower time frame, you see it's somewhere around here. We've been in this trade. See the way it's going. It's going up. We're still in that trade. AUD USD keep coming down. We need you to come down. Come down and let's get another entry for another swing. Same thing as GBP CHF. One day I'll wake up and remove this pair. Let me delete this. I've been saying it, unless this market prove me wrong, because I don't like, look at consolidation, rejecting. Yes, it's supposed to reject, because I expect you to go up, retouch this place before you start coming down. Overall, it's a downtrend. Okay, so until then, keep looking. US 30, ladies and gentlemen, is not ready until we come back to retouch this major level. Let's go to 4 hours time frame so that we see it properly. So it will come and test this level, this major level, before we start saying US 30 is back trending to the upside. Okay, so for now, no comment, G, brother. So this is GBP USD. Okay, GBP USD, like Jeffrey Benson. Let me quickly show you something. Yeah, what's today now? Today is Friday. When is Monday, Tuesday, Monday. Okay. Let me quickly give you an overview of what Jeffrey Benson's strategy look like. High and low of the week. How do we draw high and low of the week? This is Monday, Sunday. Okay, this is the first one. This is the second one, right? We use this is the first 4 hour candle when the market starts to be this. I'll still teach it properly later, guys. This is the high of the week and this is the low of the week. So after high and low of the week, we need the market trend at least 100 pips below to know where the direction of the market is going to go for the rest of that week. Okay, so this is high and low of the week. Remember, this is the candle. These two candles is what earned Jeffrey Benson over $600,000 yesterday. Hey, girl, you know how many candles we don't cash? You never even make $300,000 in one trade. But we just these two candles because they have big accounts, big equity. We are getting there too by God's grace very soon. So let me quickly measure from here to here, 56 pips. So nothing has really happened in terms of high and low of the week. Okay, nothing has really happened. At least 100 pips. The market must trend 100 pips below what? Below the high and low of the week. Then I'll still teach this thing in detail. Okay, I'll teach it in detail. Then aside from that, you now have to scale to lower time frame, 1 hour time frame to do. Okay, 4 hour time frame to draw your trend line. The market is trending down. The market is trending down. Okay, the market is trending down. So we can have a counter trend line if we want. Counter trend line can be something like this. Counter trend line can be something like this, whereby we can trap the market. Okay, so but overall it's a downtrend. Now you can come to 1 hour time frame to look at immediate trend. Do you have any immediate trend right here that we need to quickly cover? If not, we scale down to 15 minutes time frame. I don't know. It's been a while I listened to Jeffrey Benson like do analysis. But go and look at his chart currently. It's going to look at what I'm doing to you right now. It's going to look like what I'm doing right now. Sometimes it will have sometimes it's going to have a what? a counter trend line like this to actually give him another entry. Then here we'll be waiting for a chart pattern like a M pattern. Can get an M pattern around here. It's going to give an opportunity to short. So we can have something like this. We'll be looking to have an entry around here. We break out from this trend line, and then our short position is somewhere around, maybe somewhere around here. It's like 15 pips to probably cash 50 pips. Okay, that's how many? That's 3.25 raised to reward ratio. Okay, so this is part of, this is like summarization of Jeffrey Benson's idea in summary. That's it. So it's a day trade idea. We'll be expecting the market to push in down here. Once the market pushing down here, going for a short, because the market is trending down, especially when the market break this trend line lower, can add more position, and then take it all the way down here. Guys, you learn something? You guys learn something? Do you guys learn something? You guys learn something? Okay. You guys learn something? Okay, so you guys, you should look out for, I don't know, like about 2 or 3 weeks now, I've not looked at the Benson charts. I've been busy with my own. So, but if you go and look at his chart, I can bet you that he's going to look alike. Trust me, he's going to look alike. Okay, so I'm going to take my time and look for one of these days to train you guys on that, so that sometime when I'm not even around, you can do a day trading yourself without even Mr. Diamond calling out trade. That is the freedom I want for you guys, honestly. Having that freedom to be able to decide, okay, I'm going for a buy, I'm going for a sell, courtesy of what I taught you while I'm busy. Because me, sometimes you cannot predict me. Sometimes I'll be trading, sometimes I'll be off trading. I don't understand the reason why I'm off trading. So when I'm off trading, doesn't mean that you should be off trading. If you don't have the reason why you should be off trading, why should you be off trading? Because I'm off trading. And that is where the freedom is. That's where the independence is. And that's why I'm always making sure I teach you guys what you are going to need to be independent with this knowledge. Okay, so that is my goal for you guys. So that when Mr. Diamond is not around, business still goes. When Mr. Diamond is around, business still flourish. Okay, so that's how it should be. So ladies and gentlemen, any questions so far? If you have any question, let me know. If you don't have question, let me know. We can call it a day from here. From here is until next week by God's grace. What's up? Any question, ladies and gentlemen, regarding your chart, regarding your trading? Any question? Any question? Okay, so if we are all good with today, you know, it's very, very simple. I'll just start requesting that you put bye bye in the chat box if you know you're good with today. If you have question, drop it. If you don't have question, let me say bye bye in the chat box. Hey guys, I am going to attend to DM, so Mona, forgive me. I see that I still have a lot of DMs that I've not attended to. I wake up in the middle of the night, I attend to some DMs that I can attend to, some I have not attended to them. I'm sorry, be cool. I will attend to them as soon as I can. So yeah. There's an head and shoulder pattern. Head and shoulder or inverse head and shoulder. Which one? On 4-hour time frame. Okay. Let me check what this person is talking about. For hours time frame, head and shoulder. Ladies and gentlemen, this is 4 hours time frame. Where is the head and shoulder here? Can't tell me this is head and shoulder. Where is the left shoulder? Where is the head and shoulder here? I don't know. You are not seeing the right thing, my sister. You're not seeing the right thing. You know what? You know, screenshot your chart indicating that head and shoulder and send it to my DM on Telegram, okay? So I'll look at it. And if you are not right, I'll let you know. If you're right, I will also let you know you're right, okay? Oh God, I'm tired. Tired, man. Okay, so we can call it a day from here, ladies and gentlemen. Drop bye-byes in the chat box if you're good, and if you have questions, you can drop it. Quickly attend to it before we call it a day, okay? Okay, you did that already. Beautiful. I'll check. I'll check your bias. Everybody can be right. Okay. So that's that. You can call it a day by putting bye bye in the chat box.